Hey guys, welcome back. Another round of Formula Drift Japan's on this weekend. So this time they're headed to Gran Snow Okuibuki. So I didn't actually know about this track, and it's actually a ski resort that in the off season it's got huge car parks, so they're rented out to motorsport events. So we'll explore the rest of them, but in this video we're going to focus on the FDJ layout. So we're going to be using another DWG car, so another 240SX. So let's take a look at that. So this one has a 1J GTE with a GTX 3076R, which makes it 450 wheel horsepower and 495 newton meters. Adjustable coilovers and adjustable arms, triple 5 knuckles, and all that comes in at 1200 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, so this layout starts in looks like the pits area, which is one of the big car parks. So you head out to the exit here. This is actually the track here. So come down to the bottom section. So you got your start gate here. So just do a quick turnaround. Just drive and have a look at the layout first. So you start down the bottom, come up the hill. And starting here, you've got an outer zone around here. And you got to come out wide to this outer zone. Out to this outer zone, try and fill this. And then try and keep it going up to here, in the outer zone, and your 2 cones there is the finish. Alright, so let's go down, we'll turn around and give it a go. It's very short and tight layout. Practice this a few times before. Mainly just using second gear, just because of how tight it is. So, handbrake second gear. Try and fill the zones. Kind of straightened up for the last one. Almost lost it there. So come around and back down the bottom. So yeah, that's one lap. Don't really need a run up for this because I can't do it in third. I find it too tight, so brake again. Try and keep it out. Ran too wide there. I find it difficult to try and keep the drift going for the last outer zone. It's 2 laps. So definitely the amount I've done it, it's not my favourite layout. Just too short and tight, too slow. Second. I say that must fun. Well, I didn't spin, I just couldn't keep going and missed that completely. Fill the outer zone on the way back down. Try again. Alright. I'll try third, see how I go, but must be lots of clutch kicking. Oh, into the wall. So I kind of made it in third, but feels nicer and Definitely feels nicer in second gear. Alright, back to first. So yeah, it's a really quite simple layout. Probably this first corner is my favorite part. Just like the bump just here. Kind of just feel it in the car. So I'm hoping just go a bit shallower. And then when you come down the hill, which it's not part of the track, it just feels good when you drop down on the bump as well. Be interesting to watch it and see like a battle with two cars. I feel that's a lot of the layouts is just to make it more entertaining for the two cars and allow it to chase. So if I try and keep it a bit shallower, I thought I might be able to extend it out. What if I try the handbrake, if I can extend it out that way? Might work. But yeah, there's really not much to this one. The mod itself is actually pretty good. It's probably meant to be a ripper just there. It's the extra details that kind of make it in this case. So you could just have the layout, but it's like the little sheds and everything. Like all the buildings, the car park, even power lines. There's even for this car park. There's a mirror there. I don't know if it actually has a mirror or if it's just a texture. And the foliage. Just all that adds up to make it more immersive on a mod. So yeah, I think the mod's a good quality one. So second. Oh. It's still my favorite part, coming back down there, even though it's not part of the track. And so I'm going to do a video exploring the rest of the complex. I'm just going to roll off the edge then. As for the 240, to be honest, I do miss the Nardi steering wheel. It was the go-to wheel back in the day. Still just nostalgic for it. Oh, I got that zone. Don't know about the rev limiter on this, the sound of it. Sounds a bit like a machine gun. It's a bit different when you're driving compared to just revving it. And maybe on a different layout, I wouldn't be bagging off the limiter in second gear, so it might be a bit different. But there is coilover spanners sitting on that passenger seat there. Alright, can I keep it going to the other wall? That's what I did. Something I did find in this car. Can we move the hand out of the way? Yeah, they modelled a gun in the door. Which is interesting. I don't think there was anything in the back seats though. No sunroof on this one. I don't know if it's a thing they like to do as well, the gear stick shake under acceleration. Is it all the time? Yeah, so with engine vibration. Gear stick shake. It seems modelled nicely in hand as well. It's do prefer these cars a lot more to the World Drift Tour Street cars now. Just more used to them, but it'd be nice to have more in the pack besides just Sylvia's. Oh, keep it off the wall. Alright, we'll do 2 more and then that's enough. Alright. See how we go. So second, third. Back to second, handbrake. Get that zone. Just trying to keep it going. Alright, up one more go. Whoop. So I was wondering if the witch's hats were solid. I guess I just answered my question. Alright, so second, third. Slow down second, handbrake. Over the bump. Don't know if I'm feeling that zone or not. Oh, nice fun. Alright, I'm just going to try one more time. I wanted a full lap. Out sideways. Turn around. Alright, first, second. Third. Whoop. Wasn't a good start. Alright, it's going to reset. Have one more go. Because that is not the lap I want to do. I think I went to first, not third then. Warm up the tyres. I don't know if it actually makes a difference. Alright, forget it or not, but this is the last lap. Alright, second through the start. Third. Slow down. Well, that's not how I wanted to finish, but and drift. Yeah, so that's Okuibuki. So honestly, it's not the most fun layout. It's short, it's low speed, just second gear stuff. Do think it'll be interesting watching how cars battle on a short little track. But just doing the solo runs yet, definitely hasn't been my favourite one. But still looking forward to the weekend and seeing what comes of it. With that, thanks for watching, guys.